Hello and welcome to New Parenting Training. So today we have a product that's sent to us from Grownsies. So on the side of the box, you can see that they actually have more than just the bottle warmer. They have many other products as well. And once you open it up, first you have the citric acid detergent. You have a measuring cup. You have a basket. And you also have the top. You have the manual instruction. And then lastly, you have the bottle warmer itself. Now let's go try out the bottle warmer. It's quite useful. They have a reference chart on the side of the bottle warmer. So this way you don't have to look anywhere else and to just look on the side of the bottle warmer, you will find out exactly how much water that you need to put in for how much of milk that you need to heat up. As you can see, it fits skinny bottle and also it fits the Tomo. Now a lot of machines, they cannot fit something like the Tomo because it's too wide, but this one does, so that's really good to know. Now I'm going to heat up the 4-ounce bottle, and according to the instruction I need 40 ml of liquid water for the heat up process. Now preferably you need to use a distilled water so to prevent the machine to have scalding problem. First you have the fast heating, which you will need to add 40 ml of distilled water. It takes 3 to 7 minutes to heat up the bottle. Then you have the 24-hour, which you have to add distilled water to the max line mark. This is mainly used to defrosting frozen milk. Then you have the fill. The fill is also, you have to add the distilled water to the max line, and this will heat up the fill in around 1.5 hours. But if you have frozen meat puree, it will take up to 3 hours. The last one you have is the sterilize. Sterilize, you have to add 100 to 150 ml of distilled water, and this is perfect for if you have just one single bottle that you want to wash and sterilize. This machine can help you do the sterilizing part. You can select the up and down button for the time that you need. For this particular test, I just need 3 minutes for the 4 ounce to get heated up. And once it's done, the machine will beep and to indicate that the whole process is finished.